Once upon a time, in the realm of cryptocurrency, there was a kingdom ruled by energy hungry miners. These miners, armed with powerful machines, battled tirelessly to secure the kingdom's blockchain. But the kingdom was growing, and the miners were struggling to keep up. Then a new way of ruling emerged: proof of stake. Instead of wielding brute force, this method rewarded those who invested their wealth in the kingdom. The more you invested, the more power you held to shape its future. It was a tale of digital revolution, where power shifted from the mighty to the wise. And in this video, I am going to tell you all about it. So first off, let's start with the basics. Proof of stake is a consensus mechanism used by many cryptocurrencies to validate transactions and add new blocks to the blockchain. Unlike the traditional proof of work, which requires miners to solve complex puzzles, POS allows validators to create new blocks based on the number of coins they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. Imagine you are playing a game, and to get the best rewards, you have to put down a deposit. The more you deposit, the more likely you are to get the top prizes. That's essentially how POS works. The more cryptocurrency you stake, the higher your chances of being selected to validate a block and earn rewards. Now, how does this all work in practice? Here's a quick rundown. Validators lock up a certain amount of cryptocurrency to participate in the validation process. This stake acts like a security deposit. When it's time to add a new block, the network randomly selects a validator based on their stake. The more you stake, the better your chances. The chosen validator checks the transaction in the proposed block. If everything looks good, they add it to the blockchain. If they successfully validate a block, they earn rewards, which can be new coins or transaction fees. But be aware, if a validator tries to cheat the system, they could lose a part of their stake. This keeps everyone honest. But you might be wondering, why should I care about proof of stake? Well, here's a few reasons. POS is way more energy efficient compared to POW. It doesn't require massive amounts of electricity to validate transactions, making it a greener option. You don't need expensive mining equipment to participate. Just take some coins and you're in. POS can also help to reduce the risk of centralization, as it is not just about who has the most computing power. POS networks can often handle more transactions per second, making them faster and more efficient. Of course, no system is perfect. POS does have its challenges. Validators might try to validate multiple versions of the blockchain, leading to potential issues like double spending. If a few people hold a lot of cryptocurrency, they could dominate the validation process. Some people are still skeptical about POS compared to the more established POW systems. So, which cryptocurrencies are using proof of stake? Here are a few big names. Ethereum, making the switch from POW to POS with Ethereum 2.0. Cardano, Polkadot, and Solana. These networks are paving the way for more sustainable and efficient blockchain future. In summary, proof of stake is revolutionizing how we think about blockchain validation. It's energy efficient, accessible, and has the potential to make cryptocurrencies more scalable. As the crypto landscape continues to evolve, understanding POS will be crucial for anyone looking to navigate this exciting world. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments what you think about proof of stake and if you are excited about its future. Then thanks for watching and see you in the next one.